This is our model image, this is our cloth, and this is the model video with our outfit. This is our second model, this is our another cloth, and this is the model video with our outfit. An interesting thing, all will be done by AI. So let's begin. First, open Google. Search Perplexity AI. Open this first website. In this prompt section, type "Create a fashion model" using given prompt. Then paste your prompt. Check our description if you want this prompt to create model image like us. Now, click on this arrow. Our model is ready. Click on Regenerate if you want another variation. Now, this is a good one. Click on Download to get this model. Next, go to Google and search Kling AI. Open this first website. Scroll down and open all tools. Then choose AI Outfit. In AI Virtual Try-On, you can use these models and change their outfit with your clothes. Here, we'll use our own model. For this, click on Upload. Then upload a model image. Here you can add single garments or multiple garments with top and bottom separate outfit. We'll add single garments. Click here to choose number of outputs. Click on Generate to create model image with your cloth. In this way, you can change clothes of any model. Now click on Generate Video. Here they will give a demo prompt. You can change it according to your video output. We'll choose 10-second video. Click on Generate to get your video. It will take some time to generate your video. After long process, our video is ready. Let's see the result. Click this download icon to get your video. You can also download model image in this image section. Just choose your image and click on download icon to download your image. In this way, you can create AI model, change her clothes, and create an ads video using these AI tools. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.